Hello friends, now this is the program to delete a file from our computer. So we have to give the file name which we want to be deleted. After execution of this program, that file will be deleted from our computer, no doubt. So here hash include stdio.h is the header file. Why? Because I am using printf function. Next, program execution will be start with main function. Here I am taking one variable, that is status, which is integer data type, and I am declaring one array with size 25, which is char data type. Next, by using printf function, I am asking this: enter name of a file you wish to delete. So here we have to give the file name which we want to be deleted. That file name will be read by using gets function, gets of file name. So gets function will read that file name and will be stored in the array file name. So file name is array name, file name is an array. So gets function will read the file name and will be stored in this array file name. So now this array file name is having the name of the file which we want to be delete. So to delete a file, we are having one function, that is remove. So remove is the function to delete a file. So remove of file name. So file name is array name. In this array it is having the name of the file which we want to be deleted. So this remove function will deletes the file. That file is this one. So remove function will deletes this file. So the file which we want to be deleted will be deleted from our computer by using remove function. If the file is removed, then it gives the value 0. If file is not removed, it gives some non-zero value. So when this file is deleted, it gives the value 0. That 0 will be assigned to variable status. So if then status is 0. If file is removed, status is 0. So if status is 0, that means file is removed. So we have to print that file deleted successfully. If status is non-zero, then we have to print the else part, unable to delete the file, following error occurred. So if status is 0, we are printing the output like this given file is deleted successfully. If status is non-zero, then condition is false, then go to else part, and I am printing this unable to delete the file with following errors occurred. Okay, next return 0, it comes out of the program.